special class. So now your anchor will start of that class. I will hand over anchor of this class. Everyone listen to her, be careful.
A very good evening to you all. I am Anjana Kashyap. I welcome you in our show. It's all about education. Hope you will, you all will cooperate with me. Here are two teams, Team 1 and Team 2. Team 1 is of Ministers of Education and 2 is all about NGO members. Okay. So, since the adoption of Constitution in 1950, one of the major goal was universal education. India's planning was to educate every person. Still, it has not completed till now. One of major barriers to education are poverty, gender discrimination, overcrowded schools, and untrained teachers. These all are a very important part of our education system. These are the reasons that's why our education system is ramped. First of all, I want to ask from all of you, according to your point of view, how important is education?
My thinking education is very important for all, because a person when a child was born, if there is no education, people will call him illiterate, and she has no knowledge of about anything, what to do, how to do. If you are educated, you can stand on your bare feet. If you are not educated, people can't respect you, and you are not able to stand on your feet, and you are not able to get employment in today times. It is necessary for both all boys and for girls.
According to my thinking, as we all know, education is most important for our life, and education is a key to success. If any person have an education, then that person will be able to succeed. But it is not true that an educated person will be literate, because it is also seen that an educated person can be illiterate because of his or her mentality.
But you know, a study attributed to Harvard University. Harvard University, one of the best university in this world, has said when a person gets job or get promotion, it is because of her attitude or behavior. 85% it is because of her or his attitude, and only 15% is because of his skills or education. So in this way we can't say. Is not it surprising? Only 15%. We spend so much money just to get that 15% in our life.
But the attitude will also come by getting an education. For suppose an example, if a person is going to somewhere for an education background for getting education, he or she may see the other person's behavior, and then she may learn from that behavior. Then she acquire on himself or herself for this behavior and change his behavior. If the person is not educated, then she has no knowledge about what to do, how to speak, how to talk, how to conversation. This is the main thing.
In my opinion, I also want to say something that as he said that attitude is also coming from the education. It will be absolutely right that a positive attitude will come from the education. The William James of Harvard University, as you discussed about Harvard University, I want to also share one thought related to this. He said that the greatest discovery of my life is that the human being can alter their mind by altering their mind of attitudes. That's why, as you said, that education is also important, but attitude can be also come from it.
I also want to say that when learning the life skills is also come under the education. In the education, firstly, our teachers say that I want to teach you how to live your life carefully, properly, and that thing also come under the education.
I also wanted to tell you about this, that attitude also comes from education, because the first thing which we have to learn from education is discipline. Yes.
I want to say that today's education is only career making education, but the education in older times, it's behavioral education, like in gurukuls. People go to the gurukuls, children, and get education from their gurus, which we call in acharya, for getting education, and it is totally based on behavior. It is about the knowledge of the Vedas, based upon Mahapurans, Shastra education.
Yeah, this is what I want to tell you. Education refers to both formal and informal. Now we are drowning in information and starving for knowledge. Okay, both these things are different from each other. Information and knowledge. Knowledge teaches us that how to behave with others, how to live your life. But information is not about education. What will you say on this? Education. When we get knowledge, we get wisdom, and wisdom is a key to success. But if we are not getting education, we are just getting information, then
I want to share a thought related to this. I think you get your answer about this.
James always said this, according to this, that the first duty of a university is that they should train the children to learn the wisdom, not the trade. They should learn the children for their character, not the technologies.
That's why, as you said, that wisdom is key to success. Also, character is also a key to success. If the wisdom and the character both can be understood by the person, then the trade and the technology can be always understood by him. But our university always give us knowledge about the trades
And their technologies, but they don't never try to give up the knowledge of the wisdom. That's a dishonesty.
okay.
I also
So
want
you
to say that you say that knowledge is on information is only for the knowledge. I want to say that if you don't have information about something, how can you express or how can you spread your knowledge? For example, you have doing a role of anchor in this year. You have information about how to talk, how to conversate between us. If you don't have information, then how can you spread us? How can you talk? How can you behave with us? This is the main thing. Both collaboration is most important.
Yeah, I understood. So you are the education minister. I want to ask you, how many students attend school in India?
It's about 60 to 70%, because some of them have problems like poverty. Some parents think that girls are not born for going to schools. They are only born for making a home housemaid and going to become married. And some of them have a lack of don't get opportunities. Some of them have not.
60 to 70, I think it's a big ratio. Do you know, as on 4 November 2017, according to Times of India, 264 million children don't get opportunity to go to school. 264 million.
The students and the children have and they have no interest on going to schools. They think that what we can do, like especially like more Muslim children, they are
What are you taking the step?
Sir, I want to say that since from childhood they are getting in a point that you have to make knowledge about only Quran, not in.
Because you are a minister of the education, and then why are you not taking to the step of this condition?
Sir.
All students will not present in the school. Why?
Sir, I want to say that the steps taken by me are it's about basic education is compulsory for all. It's about up to about 12th class.
I think
We should motivate every persons to go to send the students for a school, because the main reason is that parents not allowed to school because nowadays is poverty, and the main and there are so many things they think that when they go to school, but if that person is doing work, so he gets some money. So that is the reason now students not going to the school. So we should motivate the schools and get lowest fees in the schools. So after that the students will go to school.
You know, many poor parents send their children to the school because though they know when they go to school, their boy and girls, they get money from that school from per month. That's why they're sending their
Not
children
per
to the
month,
school.
in a year.
It's year, but they're getting some money from that.
But it is not necessary for them because
And
they get only 180 rupees.
Okay, but Mr. Deepak, not all 264 students are not. You can't say all 264 million students don't like to go to school.
I'm not saying that if that
This is said by me. Some of them have don't interest to go to schools. Some of the in Muslim areas, the Muslim parents said that you have to only learn about talim. You say heard about the word talim, which is about Quran Sharif. You have to only behavior knowledge, our holy book knowledge. So that's why they don't send their children. And some of the parents don't send their schools because of their poverty. Some of them have discrimination, which is called bhishkar.
I also want to say that many of children are not able to go to school because of they have no proper opportunity. Like in the Firozabad, you know that Firozabad is famous for the bangle making, and in the 12th class you all read the chapter of bangle making in the Firozabad. And in that area, it's till now their children are not able to go to the school just because they have to make the bangles just because of vicious circle. Vicious circle and the family
It is also
tradition.
happened in Singapore. Many of children are rag pickers,
Yeah.
which is also about chapter in 12th
12th class.
12th class chapters. Most of the
In 8th class, it is also a chapter. 8th or 9th.
I think I read in 12. Most of the children are doing in rag picking.
Okay.
What do you
So I want to ask you, does our government is providing a good school or university system?
According to me, yes, the government is providing good, but at some rate, not in the fully way. Because it is seen that in many schools there are no proper facilities of water, and they are not hygienic. There are not proper facilities of sitting. There are not facility of electricity. So how, if the person are not able to get the proper environment of reading or studying, then how can any children can read, and how can any children can study? We all study in that environment, in that area in which we are comfortable. And on that point, I am going that nowadays, in this time, the children are not getting that environment to study.
What will you say? You are education minister, and are you agree with her points?
The
Students are
environment,
not
the
getting
children-
environment for education. If a student is not getting environment, a good
Yes.
environment, so how
In
is
many
it
schools,
possible?
our ministry send the money, but the principal can use for their own selfishness.
This is your point that you have to check and
If
inquire on that
it's
You
person.
are
not my
asking
work,
that
it's not my
question,
work,
if you
it's
yourself
about
also on that
investigation
time,
team.
I will say that it is right. But nowadays I think government is doing a good work in the education system. So he provides so many facilities for the students, and they get also the mineral waters in every schools nowadays. But so many schools is left, but they
They
will
are
do.
also provide midday meal.
Yeah.
Nowadays,
Now-
government school has the many facilities available. Kejriwal also give this.
And the education system is also good nowadays.
Okay, sir, you said that you always grant money to government schools for principal and other members.
Our work is to about send money only to
So
the
don't you
school.
think you should take
The
step on
investigation
it?
is happened by the investigation team, but the principals give corruption to the investigation team, and they don't catch.
Always stop
How
it. They
many
only work
investigation
government
have got
schools,
successful
not a
now?
private schools.
On
We are
minimum
also
only
talking
about
about
10
the
to
government
20% only success. About 80% school principal are corrupted because they use that type of money for their making their own bungalows, for their purchasing their flats, for their heavy cars.
So don't
But-
you think there should be a action, a strict action?
We
on these
pass the
kind of
bill.
people?
We pass the bill, but the Lok Sabha can pass our bill.
But I think so
Parliament.
there is some rights to a normal person that they have to complain for that thing which is not true, which is not right. You are a minister, but you are also a normal person, and you common man. You have to file a charge and file a complaint on that thing. That thing that they are the principal are corrupted, and you have to use their
But
own
work is
power.
to make our
It is not easy
But
because
no
the
single
state.
man can change the
Okay,
whole
okay,
system.
okay. Miss Kirti, you were about to say something.
Yeah, as you speak all the things, but I don't want to repeat. And but in my opinion, I only want to say something that if they just send the money, they will also have to do the inquiries, because the work we cannot just come on that point. If they send the money, it should be a matter that what would be have in our school. They will also try to do the inquiry only one time. If they do the inquiry in a one time, many of the persons come and our India will be get good education.
Our ministry has more work than about sending money and about investigation. Is to making about new schemes. Is to make about schemes. How can children learn more, like smart classes? Many schools have smart classes. Education from computers. New.
It is
Government
not-
provide a midday meal.
Okay, okay, okay.
May I?
So,
May I? May I?
Mr.
It
Naik, we
is
don't
not
have much
easy.
time. We have to discuss on many topics.
It is not easy to necessarily the government takes strict action, because that every state has a different state government, so they provide some special treatment to the principals of the school, so that is the reason their government should not take action strictly.
So, from your point of view, which kind of school is better, private or government?
Government.
According to the private schools are better than the government school, because in government schools there are less facilities than private schools.
But it's not true. The government provides more facility than private. But
the facility is not given to the children.
fully.
In 2010, you all have heard name of that school, Doon. It is in Dehradun.
Doon Public School.
Yeah, Doon Public School. In 2010, government has tried to stop them their fee level, but school had decreased their level of study, of teaching. On that time, many parents got angry on it, because they don't want to send their child to government school. Why? The teachers are irregular. There is no perfect environment as it is in private schools. And with the money which they were paying in Doon Public School was similar, not similar to government schools, but their level of teaching became similar to government school. Almost similar. Still, they did not want to send their child to government school. What is the reason?
But do you say that government school education system is low? If we are
It
seeing
is
the
a
any
report
school,
of 2010.
if we are seeing the any school top, any year topper, so thus government school students is top in the city.
Okay,
But
so
in
why-
any-
why parents don't want to send their child to government school?
He's a minister of education and he's also belong a government school.
Okay, I am just asking why parents don't want to send their child to government school.
In Dehradun, Doon Public School in 2010.
It is a report of 2010. Parents got
There is a reason. There is a reason. Because there are very lack of government school in Dehradun, and there is about criminalism. There is an army area. So that's why they think that there is no much more discipline in private school. The Sainik school is more famous in that in that area. You know that? And the parents in other states don't send their child to the government school, because in government schools we can give the money, grant to the money, but the teachers are not performing their duty properly. They don't speak English. They don't speak children how to speak English, how to make your career. They don't give counseling. So that's why they don't make their child to the government school.
And I also want to say something.
that as he said that
In my opinion, the teacher are well qualified because they do many of the entrance to clear the government, make a government teacher. But after when they get a chair, on that time they have an overconfidence. They only want to be started the money and money. When the money is come on their hand, they will don't teach their children. After that, why the parents want to?
They think that they are permanent, no one can remove her,
Yeah.
and it is a reality. So that's why they don't spread their knowledge too
So,
much.
which country are thought to have a good education system? Which country?
Switzerland has a good education system in the world
England.
because they provide so many facilities for the person, as like the leaders of political leaders, students is also study in the government schools. It's look like the government school is look like a private schools. The buses and dresses are the same like every school teachers, and dresses are the equality in the dresses. So that is the reason.
According to me, that you said that the government and the private school. I think that nowadays the position of the government school becoming some more little bit good. But this is a mindset of the people that the government schools are not good. I am also from a government school, and I think so. It's a best school in the government schools. And I want to say that it's become the mindset of the people that the government schools are not good, just because the private schools are good from the government school. But I think government schools have more facilities than private schools.
It's about
Private school
private
is good.
thinking of the old ones,
Yeah.
which is come to at that time.
But do you know our country has a best education system because we are taught every subject, and in other countries there are
There is no teachers to taught every subject. You want to say that?
no, we are taught every subject.
Okay.
But in other countries there are only some subject in which pupil or student get degree. That's why in India, you know what? It is demanded. In NASA, there are more than 75 scientists are Indians. Why? They are studied from here, from
But the
India.
opportunities is not given in India, so that's why they go to the abroad.
Because
may
they
hear
are getting more money there.
more, you
That's
may
the
hear
only
about there is also about caste system, there is quota system in India, which is happened. If a child has ability to get a job, then get score more. You may hear about in 2017 Tina Davi, which is a girl.
But you
with
are a
about
minister education, you have
22
to-
age year girl, and
And
it's
this
about
system-
she become an IPS, and a Brahmin boy
Yes.
has more marks than the girl, but he left our country because it is due to a quota system.
But
you
you are
say
the
he got more marks than Tina Ravi.
But
Yeah.
you are the education minister, and you have to end this system of quota
This
system.
is not-
Why
this
are
is-
you not taking any step?
This is not my work. It is written in
What is your
constitution.
work?
It is written in
What is your
constitution.
work?
It is written in constitution. It is not changed by me.
It was
It is
written by B.R. Ambedkar.
It is written by B.R. Ambedkar, and for your knowledge, it will end in 2020 because the time period of quota system, which is called reservation, is ended in 2020.
Okay, government should take action towards safety of students. Okay, the Hindustan Times has listed a number of deaths within the premises of school. 4 deaths have been done within the national capital. 4 deaths. It's a report of 2017 within a national capital. Don't you think it means a lot?
I think it is a lot because proper medical facilities not given to them.
No. When a parent sends their child to schools,
Okay.
they think it is a safe place.
Okay.
Their child will get education here, he will be safe. It is a place which will be safe for their child. And do you remember the case of Pradyuman? Rian International
Yes,
School.
yes, yes.
He was killed within a washroom of school. His father dropped him and his sister at 7:30, and he was murdered at 8:10.
But is the who will murder the child?
He was a student of class 11. And you know what was the reason? The reason was he wanted to postpone the exams and PTM, parents teachers meeting. That's the only reason that he killed that boy, that 8-year-old boy.
What do you want from us, ma'am? What we can do? We have only making our ministry can making the schemes.
Okay.
Am I right or wrong? Our making has the right to send the money. Am I right or wrong?
Okay.
Do you agree with me? Or
So
our
don't you think there should be more safety of students in schools?
we can't see at the school every time. This is about some responsibility about
Teachers.
principals, teachers.
And
If they don't
CCTV
do
cameras.
CCTV cameras,
Okay.
guards. if they
Okay.
do-
Now I am coming to you. Do you think government should take steps on safety of students?
Yes, it's that the government have to take step for the safety of the students, because if education minister is not able to start some scheme for the safety of the student in the education in the schools, then who will start? Yes,
Which type of
according to you,
steps
who will
can we
start?
start?
I think you have to build strict rules for that.
Like that.
We have
You have to make
If we
Your
build
ministers are correct, sir, in the family.
Do you have any proof? Do you have any proof for corruption?
Arey, we don't need
I will
to.
tell you.
The whole India, whole world knows.
How can you
We
blame
are-
us? How can you blame us? Do you have
Because
any proof of corruption?
Because
You
you
are
also
just
do corruption.
from your
Do you have any
You are
proof?
corrupted, sir.
You,
May I?
you only give
have
You are blaming me.
you
You are
will
blaming me.
blame us that we are corrupted.
you only give money to the officer.
You
and
can't
you
give
will
us
get
any
it from
facility.
him.
You don't have
When
any
you
proof.
give the
Okay. Here we come on next step. Next case. In Gurgaon, 2 students were molested by a sweeper in Vidya school.
Two girls, na? I think.
Yeah,
Two girls.
DNF phase 3.
I want to see
When they went to washroom, they were molested by a sweeper.
government school.
It's a private school, ma'am.
Private school.
But you are education minister. This is not the
One
thing
school
that
is
the school is government or the
international
private.
one, second is a highly private school.
Ma'am, there's some responsibility. I also tell you
In Delhi
advance.
has so many schools, so how it be possible we are
You have too much biggest team, so you have to invest all those
These
schools.
two, when you give the money to anyone to start schemes, and when you give the fund, you don't check how in which way the fund was using.
Okay,
You are
okay.
CCTV cameras is
You
not
know-
allowed in the
Why are
college.
you blaming
It's
us?
Because this is your
responsibility.
Do you think
You
CCTV
check-
cameras are allowed in the
responsibility
toilets, in the washroom?
Okay, not in the washroom, but you have to.
But the girls are molested in washroom. It is not
So
our
how can
responsibility. How can we blame? How can you blame us?
Okay, no,
How can you say that we are guilty?
leave the case of this molested, but about the case of that person Pratibharan?
It was also
He is
in
also in
washroom.
murdered in bathroom.
It's also in washroom.
But you know what? You know, these 2 cases took place within 3 months.
What do you want from us?
If the schemes are
We can go to the bathroom.
If
We
the
can fix the
schemes are
cameras.
more-
I'm not saying this, sir. Your
But
If
Why
that
are you
scheme,
supposed
if that
to
schemes
us
are
that
more
we are-
strict that everyone
We are
has
going to the
fear of
bathroom.
police,
We fix the cameras and we are
If
sitting
the scheme,
properly.
please
You are
listen to
taking
me.
wrong.
Then you will run from your problems. Please listen to me. If you make make much more strict schemes about this, then every person, then how any person have the
If we
courage
take
to do
strict
this?
action in the students, so on that time no student came to school.
Yeah,
So
he's
that
right.
is
It's not. She is not saying for students. She is
We
saying
should
for
try.
the
So if-
criminals.
You know
How
that
can you know that a student is
it's
a
look
criminal?
like a criminals.
She
In-
said that
she
we
no,
molest
she
by
or he
us
not study in
people.
a school.
But
It's like a caddy.
One of the biggest reason is these cases are taking place due to negligence by school authorities. This is a fact and you don't want to understand it.
we can ban the beating by teacher because of your
I will tell you, in many schools,
So molestation is okay. You have stopped that.
But we can ban the beating.
Molestation is taking place now.
What do you want from us? Can you fix the camera?
I want to say that you are just running from your problems because you have the inner reason that it is Why are you noticing that it is done in the bathroom? Please
When
notice that.
there is a person in
Actually,
this
if a student has problem, then she may have to report that problem to the teacher. If they don't report their teacher, what we can do?
In
How
every
can we know
school,
that what is happening with
we
them?
spend a post office to giving her or his complaint.
How
and
many
the-
complaints did you read from that complaint box?
If the complaint is not
the
reached to us,
complaint is not
what we
written
can
by
read?
students,
Because
it
the
is not
teachers
our
are
fault.
not using. If there are complaints
We give a
against the
facility.
teachers, if there are complaints against the teacher, that teachers will scold them. That teacher will cut the marks, and every student have
The post
fear of
he has a
the-
right
the
to
post
change the
office is
school.
open by the police
Okay,
officer.
He has a right to fight in court against her.
that teacher is not wrong. She is right.
The post office
If the-
box
if
is
she-
opened by a
If she caught
police.
guilty, then it should
Okay, okay. If there can be a liftman in a lift, so can't there be a lady outside of the girls' washroom, or a man outside of the boys' washroom? Is it not okay? If I am wrong, so tell me.
Now, why?
And if you have any idea regarding this, so you can tell
You
me.
have only a one
How
reason
much
because
cases
it's put
can
CCTV in the
happen
bathroom.
like this time?
You are just.
How much cases can happen in the outside of the bathroom or outside of the
Yeah,
washroom
so
or
much.
outside?
But
of
these
the-
two cases within 3 months took place in the
The
washroom.
authority will not complain us. They will inform about whole media.
So should
If
don't
they inform us,
don't you
we
say
can
you
take
should
that
have
news.
invest? Don't
You
you
don't
think
have to invest
On
all
that
the
side,
time.
authority
We
can
need
investigate
investment.
our faults.
I don't
We
think
can
so.
inform
No,
us
no,
by handling the client.
just calm down, please. Let me speak. Don't you think?
You can't blame us, man. You can't.
Whole world know that there is a huge corruption in India. So can't you put that money in
We
these
are only
kind of
corrupted.
things?
We are only corrupted.
Our
You can
only
say that.
country is not a
Sir,
as
I
corrupt.
can claim you are corrupted.
Okay, and anger, this is my duty to show the reality
Someone
of
is
the
paying you to insult me, to blaming me. I can
Sir,
say that
I want
you are
to
corrupted.
whole media knows about me.
You don't
I don't
accept
need
your
to do anything.
mistake.
The opposition will give me how much money to blame me? How much money will be given by the
Sir,
opposition?
I don't need to blame you. Whole world, whole
You
India
only
knows
blame
about you, sir.
you only blame our ministry.
Okay, okay. So, you were saying you can't put CCTV in washroom.
Okay.
So can't you put a man or a woman outside of girls and boys washroom?
You know
Do you think
have
that
only
if
one
I
year.
am going to school,
they
It
don't
is
have
good.
any kind of another reason.
Yeah,
They said
why?
I only said you have
Everyone needs privacy. Do you know
Everyone
what?
needs-
It's still
Privacy.
So we are provided privacy.
So,
Everyone has a freedom.
see, every government and private school has a huge washroom.
There is a reason. There is a
I'm just
reason.
saying that just put them outside of the washroom, not in the washroom.
There is a reason. There is a reason.
Providing.
There is a little
People
bit
are
reason.
providing.
Yeah,
If
these
outside
are-
the- there is a reason not
I
for
don't
not
think
There
providing.
will be a reason now.
There is a
Yeah,
reason.
please understand.
I want to
No,
say
please
that.
still agree with
I
my
want to say that the
sentence.
reason.
Please say that
They
reason.
will-
I want to say the reason.
Okay, I want to hear. Just
Wait a
speak.
minute. You saw
There is a
any
reason.
school
If we
in
have stand the
every country, in any country, you see any country to provide a security in a washroom, outside the washroom.
Okay, now we are.
May I ask something?
Okay.
Do you see any person in any school to provide a security in outside the washroom in any
Sir,
country?
There is a reason.
Any
It
country.
will happen
reason.
now. We come to know the molestation, which
Anyone
is
school
happening.
can provide this type of facility.
Okay,
I think
now
you have to
our
provide
time
this
has
kind of
finished. We have to stop
We
this
have
debate
provided
here.
many facilities. Okay, you
Ma'am,
can
you
blame us.
only said this sentence.
Okay,
We have
Miss
No,
Ashwini,
you
just calm
provide. You don't provide anything.
Ma'am, just calm down. Our time has completed. We don't have
The
time.
opposition will be allowed.
We don't have time.
The
Why don't?
opposition will
Okay,
be
we don't
louder.
have time. It was a good debate with you. Thank you so much, and a very good evening again.